Cricket is not only about runs, wickets, and trophies. Sometimes it is about respect, humanity, and heart. Today, I will show you 20 moments in cricket history that made fans emotional, proud, and speechless. Some of these moments are so powerful, they will change the way you see this game forever. Moment 20. Virat Kohli silences the crowd. People call Virat Kohli aggressive, especially against Australia. But in the 2019 World Cup, something magical happened. When Steve Smith came to bat, the crowd started booing him loudly. They were trying to disturb him. Suddenly, Virat walked towards the crowd and made a calm hand gesture. He said, "Stop this. Respect him. Cheer for cricket." That one action showed the world. Virat is not just a fighter. He is a true sportsman. Moment 19. Joe Root's golden heart. In a 20-Mammon Vitality Blast match, a batsman was running, but his partner collapsed on the pitch because of cramps. The run-out could easily win the match. But Joe Root refused to take the wicket. They lost the match, but won millions of hearts. Because sometimes humanity is bigger than victory. Moment 18. Rahan's beautiful gesture to Afghanistan. After Afghanistan got test status, they played their first test match against India. India won easily. But during the post-match photo session, Ajinkya Rahane invited the Afghan players to stand together with India. Because history is not made alone, it is shared with respect. Moment 17. Spirit of the game. Nepal versus Ireland. A batsman collided with the bowler and fell outside his crease. Run-out was simple, but the wicket-keeper refused to break the stumps. Because cricket remembers character, not only scores. Moment 15. Under-19. Humanity. In Under-19 World Cup, a West Indies player was in severe pain and could not walk. New Zealand players carried him off the field. Competition stopped. Compassion started. Moment 14. Bangladesh. Calls back the batsman. Bangladesh ran out Saudi using Mankad. Later they realized the situation. They withdrew the appeal and called him back. Saudi hugged the bowler. That hug became more famous than the match. Moment 13. Sophie Devine's emotional pause. Sophie Devine hit her 100, but instead of celebrating, she stopped the match. Her shot had hit a small girl in the crowd. She went to check on the child first. Because people matter more than milestones. Moment 12. Flintoff and Brett Lee, 2005. Ashes. England won by only 2 runs. Brett Lee collapsed in pain. Andrew Flintoff did not celebrate. He sat beside Brett Lee and put his arm on him. A picture that still gives goosebumps. Moment 10. Kane Williamson consoles. Carlos Brathwaite, 2019 World Cup. Brathwaite almost won the match alone. Got out on the boundary. Kane Williamson and his team walked to him, comforted him, and praised his fight. Respect recognized greatness. Moment 9. Siraj. Runs to Cameron Green. Bumrah's shot hit Cameron Green on the head. Siraj instantly stopped his run-up and rushed to check on him. No rivalry at that moment, only concern. Moment 8. KL Rahul's honesty. KL Rahul took a catch. Replay showed ball touched the ground. Before umpire decided, Rahul said, "It is not out." Even the umpire appreciated him. Moment 6. Sehwag withdraws. Mankad Ashwin Mankadit Thirimanne. Umpire asked Sehwag. Sehwag and Sachin discussed and withdrew the appeal. Leaders teach values. Moment 5. Pat Cummins brings Khawaja. Back after Ashes victory celebration, Cummins stopped the team. Called Usman Khawaja to the center, so he would be in the victory photo. Small act, big respect. Moment 4. Chris Gayle meets the injured girl. A 6 hit a little girl's face. Gayle visited her in hospital and invited her as VIP guest later. A giant heart inside a giant man. Moment 3. Dhoni calls back. Ian Bell. Bell thought the ball was boundary and walked for tea break. Praveen Kumar ran him out. Dhoni withdrew the appeal because intention matters. Moment 2. Gilchrist walks off. 2003 WC semi-final. Umpire said not out. Gilchrist knew he edged. He walked off. Honesty in the biggest stage. Moment 1. Gambhir gives his award to Kohli. Kohli scored his first ODI 100. Gambhir got man of the match. He handed the trophy to Kohli. True champions lift others. So these were the 20 moments that prove cricket is more than a game. If this video touched your heart, hit like, subscribe for more inspiring stories, and comment which moment moved you the most. Because respect is the real trophy of cricket.